Okay, respectfully, I just need it on the record. This will go down as one of the best releases of 2022, but also one of the biggest fumbles. Jordan Brand, Around the Way Girl, it was right there for you. Okay, now that it's on the record, respectfully, you see me, bucket hat, bamboo earrings, at least 2 pair. Let's go over the amazing women's Air Jordan 1 High denim. We know this box, it's a Jordan 1 box, but not just any regular Jordan 1, it's a women's exclusive Jordan 1 box, red base, black detail, Nike Air, and the official colorway for this women's Jordan 1 High, white and border blue. And they went all out with the paper as well, bright red with the gold rope jewelry on there, even the bamboo earring, and ladies, here they are. Let's start from the very bottom, the outer sole. It's a nice, simple, cool Carolina blue, at least in my opinion, and I appreciate that. As we move towards the midsole, all white, stark white, with the white stitching as well. Now, while we're all here, what we're excited for, the denim upper, the quarter panels are indeed denim, and then we have white leather to complete the upper of every other part of the sneaker itself. An amazing hang tag that's also denim with the stamped Nike Air that is glossed and stands out. Now, I love this denim just because it's not clean cut. It's frayed. It's got some character. Again, she's been through some things in life, but she's not afraid. She's got confidence. She will rock her style and things her way. Now, these will come with additional laces in red, and I'm sure many ladies will go ahead and do a lace swap. The coup de grace for this Jordan 1 High, the Dubray present on the left and right pair, the bamboo earring that will detail Jordan, as well as the Jumpman logo. And that more than anything, listen, that there is a very important cultural aspect of this sneaker, of urban culture and everything that we know and love about sneakers. So you have the denim tongue, it will lead up to the white and lighter shade of blue Nike tag to finish everything off. But this pair, it's a moment for women, so hopefully Jordan Brand, you understand, we appreciate it, well executed, did just enough with a lot of attitude.
I surround my soul with the positivity, that's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much, I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back, another video on Talks with TJ, and that's right, a women's Jordan pair I was really excited to have, and thankfully Sneakers Out blessed your girl. They didn't act as if they didn't know me for once. So I secured this pair on exclusive access, and so many of you did, which is a great thing. So let's celebrate that, okay? I know we give Jordan and Nike and sneakers, we give them a lot of flack, but I think we need to celebrate the fact that a lot of women secured this pair. Now, that's not to say every woman that wanted these got these. That's just the game. It's just the game. It's numbers. It's how it works. Now, I will say shout out to all the men that respectfully also shared. I passed so the ladies could enjoy these, and I respect it. If you're a guy though and you were within the size range that these dropped and you wanted them to enjoy for yourself, nothing wrong with that. I imagine you probably took off that bamboo earring Dubray. I'm not judging you there. It's your shoe, customize it, change it however you want, but I think it goes again to show how far we've come for women's drops, because hey, men are also a little bit salty and in their feelings if they can't get some of these. That says a lot, ladies. We have come a long way, and I think this was an amazing execution by the team. And also, let's just give flowers to the Jordan women's team for this. And it's not the first time they've dropped just an amazing pair within recent years. And I would have to say this denim one, but then also the seafoam pair that we received, top of my list for recent drops for women, and they're very, very excited for the candy purple that's on the way. If I can't get that though, the Jordan 1 Starfish, listen, the women's team, they have my full attention. Let me just throw that out there. But there was a missed opportunity and we need to discuss it. Okay, actually, before we discuss the missed opportunity, if you don't know what I'm talking about in terms of Around the Way Girl, you have homework to do, and I don't want to catch a copyright strike, so pause, go listen to LL Cool J's song, and we can also go over the archetype of the girl that is truly around the way. Okay, so what exactly do we mean when we reference an around the way girl? Well, The idea is a minority woman's answer to the traditional blue-eyed blonde girl next door, or today's cool girl. The other girls are peacocks, and she doesn't have to do that. All she really needs is bamboo earrings, possibly 2 pairs, actually. Go ahead and make it 2 pairs. So if we go back to movies in the 90s, such as Dope, or even Poetic Justice, these were the styles. You had women from urban communities, black and brown, and they stood out. They were bold. They went against the archetype of what was the all-American girl, and she did it her way. Now, it wasn't culturally accepted everywhere, but guess what? Her style, you bit off that. You saw what she did with what was in store. She made it her own, and she made it a statement. She made it a trend, and that's exactly what we would consider an around-the-way girl. Now, when it comes to, again, her confidence, she's not scared to do anything. And the fact that LL Cool J did this entire song, it released, I believe, 1990. It was perfect. It was right on time. And so another way to describe it, hey, your fashion sense was always trendy and extra bold, but I think it's important to note there are still women from black and brown heritages. We don't get the credit for having started a lot of different trends, and that's still a pain point today. But Jordan Brand, you absolutely took us back to the 90s, back to that moment of us inspiring so much style. Okay, so now that we've done that, we've gone through a little bit of a cultural lesson, and yeah, I would definitely consider myself that around the way girl. If you want to look at the entire just breakdown of her, and I love the fact that she's independent, she doesn't care, she's not trying to impress you, she's definitely probably not in heels or a dress or whatever you think the all-American girl is. Nah, that's not her. She's probably right there with you, kicking it with the guys, hanging out, shooting the, I won't say because I have kids that watch, but she's her. It's unapologetic. It is genuine, it's 1000% sincere, and she's comfortable in who she is. Still cute, still super fly. You know she's up to date on what's out there, what's new, and I think that absolutely fits for the Jordan 1 denim. And one thing I love about this pair, even if you're not someone super into denim sneakers, right? That may not be your thing, and I think that's fine. I don't have tons of denim sneakers. Actually, this will be only my second, if we're being honest, outside of some of the denim that's present on the Concepts Air Max 1. I also have the black Levi 4 denim, so I'm very happy to have that too. But you can do a lot with this sneaker, and you will have some women that are just super feminine. They will dress it all the way up, girly, high fashion. Do you, sis, if that's you? We know that's not me, but I absolutely brought my same style, comfort, and textures, not to mention olive green and cargo pants, into the mix. So let's break down not only the on foot, but then also how I choose to style this. I limited this to 4 ways, but it can certainly do so much more. For the on foot, it's pretty simple. This fits like any other women's exclusive Jordan 1 I have, which is true to size for me. That is a little different. When I get a regular Jordan 1, I actually have to go up to a 6.5 in men's or grade school. But for women's, a 7.5 fits me perfectly. And I'll be honest, this Jordan 1 feels more comfortable than other Jordan 1s that I have in my collection. I'm not specifically sure why. I'm not sure if it's based on the lining or the insole, which I forgot to mention in the unboxing. It's red and it has gold branding on there for Nike Air, which is very nice. It'll rub off after I wear these a few times. We already know that. But yeah, very comfortable on foot, and I went true to my women's size. Okay, let's kick it off with the first 3 looks for the Air Jordan 1 High denim for women. So on the left, it's truly an all Jordan women's outfit. So do you guys remember that vintage oversized t-shirt, the one that I wouldn't be quiet about? Yeah, I'm rocking that in a size medium. It truly is oversized. It's so soft and comfortable. And then shout out to Jordan Brand for sending over the Jordan Women's Essential Shorts in the wash colorway. I absolutely love these. I'm wearing a size medium, and then I'm also wearing the Jordan Legacy socks. You guys can actually pick those up on Champs right now in 2 other colorways, which I believe is white and Carolina blue. For the second look, I'm actually rocking the Nina Chanel sports bra from her collaboration and collection with Jordan Brand in black. The oversized jacket, because it's like a men's large or extra large, that is also Jordan Brand in black and white. And then I'm wearing the men's style flight heritage cargo pants or utility cargo pants, also by Jordan Brand. So now you can't find those in stores. I would say check possibly on eBay. On the right, I'm celebrating all of my team wins. That's right. Asia Wilson jersey jersey for the Las Vegas Aces. They just won it all for the WNBA. My snapback for the Warriors, the Western Snap pants by Minimal, and the custom denim jacket I had made. They have older Nike patches and tags stitched on the front for a true customized look. And one more fit to finish them all off. So a brand new shirt, another one sent over from Jordan Brand. I love the boxier oversized fit. So they will have elongated sleeves, which I really appreciate. Also wearing green cargo Jordan pants. As always, go ahead and comment below your favorite look. Now, you can do, again, so much with this, and I appreciate the support and encouragement. You guys were like, listen, we can't wait to have your take on the shoe. I humbly appreciate that feedback. I do, just because I didn't have this out early, not even on time, because I wasn't in this state when the shoe arrived, so there wasn't much that I could do in terms of getting that out to you immediately. But then also there are so many other styles, ways that people will go ahead and showcase, you know, how they choose to rock this, and I respect all of those. Being different, fashion is subjective, and that's something to always keep in mind. But again, I appreciate you guys supporting me getting this video out. These will be on foot quite a bit, doing my best to really give them some love and shine this fall and winter season, except for when that snow and ice really hits, then they will be in the box. But if you were able to secure a pair, go ahead and let me know, like, the fit that automatically came to mind to you for these. Again, Jordan Brand, this was a missed cultural moment. But hey, what can you do? Again, the design team is not the marketing team. That's not the rollout team. So you're limited to, you know, what you have control over. But I do appreciate you guys for tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size, and listen to that song. It's a hit. Peace.